Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to update Etsy seller profile picture. Updating your Etsy seller profile picture might seem small, but it can make a big difference. Here's why. First, it builds trust. A clear professional photo helps buyers feel like they're dealing with a real person and not just a store. Secondly, it boosts your brand, whether it's your logo or a personal photo. Your profile picture sets the tone for your shop and makes it more recognizable. Third, it creates a connection. Buyers are more likely to purchase from someone who looks approachable and trustworthy. It's all about building relationships. And the best part is, first impressions matter. A fresh, polished photo can help attract new customers and encourage repeat business. So, how you can do it? First of all you have to do is take your phone and open your browser on your phone, whether it's a Chrome browser or any other browser. Once your browser has been opened, you have to search for Etsy seller account. Click on the top search result. A new page will open. From here, you have to click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Click on account settings. Again, a new page will open. From here, what you have to do is click on edit public profile. From here, you'll see an option called profile picture. You have to click on choose file. And you have to make sure the picture must be a JPG format or GIF format, or it can also be in PNG format, and at least 400 pixels by 400 pixels. Click on media picker, or you can also select camera to take a selfie. It's better to select media picker so you can choose any picture from your gallery. After you have chosen picture, you have successfully set a new profile picture on your Etsy seller account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.